Step one is to make sure you're at top dead center. So take the cover, lift up that push rod cover and have a look at the valve. So the valve goes up and down as you turn the engine over. And you want to make sure that valve is down. To do that, take the spark plugs out, put it in 4th gear, jack it up and turn your wheel. So we are looking for the piston is at the very top and the valve is down. Once you know those two are there, you're on your compression stroke. Now it's time to finally adjust it. To do that, we take out this and have a look. Now there'll be some dots and a line, depending on the age of your bike. If it's a really, really old one, you are looking for a single dot at the bottom there. But most newer bikes from the really old 60s will have a line. So if you can see in there, you can just see it. So again, by altering the back wheel, moving it forwards and backwards slightly, you can get that line there. Now that line doesn't want to be in the center. It wants to be just on that back edge. Okay? If you're going to set the timing this way. So we're on the compression stroke, our timing spot on. Next thing to do is to check the gaps. So to do that, the easy way is to loosen these two slightly, and then you can alter your timing here until you see that at its maximum widest opening point. When it's there, you need to adjust it to 0.18 or 0.45 mil, and your feeler gauge should go in with just a tiny bit of resistance. Yeah, I can just feel that. If it's too big or too small, you adjust it by loosening that screw, and you can put your screwdriver in this point here to either push it down a bit or push it up a bit. Okay. Once you've got that set, the next thing is to do the advance and retard. Now there's an easy way to do this rather than using timing lights and things like that. These sensors, and that is simply wait for it to fire. So ignition on, and if you look at that point, as I turn it, you'll see a spark. There you go. It's just happened. There. Not sure if you can see that, hopefully. There. Yeah? So we turn it. There. And that's the mark we want to go for. So turn that around. The minute you see that spark, there you go. Let me tighten these up. And our points are done.